Haiti, official the Republic of Haiti, is a country on the island of Hispaniola, the Caribbean sea, east of Cuba and Jamaica, and south of the Bahamas. It occupies the western edge of the island. It is shares with the Dominican Republic. Haiti is the fifth largest country in the Caribbean, and with an estimated population of 11.4 million, is the most populous Caribbean country. The capital and largest city is Port-au-Prince, Republic of Haiti. Haiti was originally inhabited by the Taino people in 1492. Christopher Columbus established the first European settlement in the Americas, La Navidad. On its northern coast, the island was part of the Spanish Empire until 1697, when the western portion was ceded to France and became Saint Domingue, dominated by sugar cane plantation, worked by a slave African. The 1791 1804 Haiti Revolution by the Haiti, the first sovereign state in the Caribbean, to second the Republic in the Americas, the first country in the Americas to officially abolish slavery, and the only country in history established by a slave revolt. The 19th century, Rasulullah Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, political instability, international isolation, that the French and violent invasion of the Dominican Republic include a costly war. U.S. forces occupied Haiti from 1915 to 1934, followed by dictatorial rule of the Duvalier family. 1957, 1986, after a coup created in 2004. The United Nations intervened in the 2010. A catastrophic earthquake and a deadly cholera outbreak devastated the country. Historical poor and politically unstable, Haiti has faced several economic and political crises, gang activity, and the collapse of its government, one of the world's less developed countries, and with no elected official remaining. Haiti has been described as a violent state. Haiti is a founding member of the United Nations Organization of American States, Association of Caribbean States, and the Organization International de la Francophonie. In addition to CARICOM, it is a member of the International Monetary Fund, World Organization, and Community of Latin American and Caribbean States. Economy and article economy. Economy of Haiti. GDP per capita 1945 to 2018. The data is adjusted for the difference in the cost of living between countries, and for information it is measured in contributes 2011 informations. 1945 under $2,000. 1916 under $2,000. 1970 under $1,500. 1980 up to $2,000. 1990 under $1,500. 2000 $1,500. 2010 up to 100 or $1,500. 2018 IT under $2,000. Third Medicine Project Database 2020 for Advanced 2020 or Random Data Average Economic Growth CCP. History GDP per capita development details reserve CC by 4.0. History GDP per capita development. IT per capita GDP it is $1,800 and its GDP is $1997 billion 2017 estimates. The country used the Haitan gold as its currency is it is tourism industry. Haiti is one of the poorest countries in the Americas, with corruption, political instability, poor infrastructure, lack of health care, and lack of education cities as the main causes. Unemployment is sick, and many Haitians seek to immigrate. The declined dramatically after the 2010 earthquake and subsequent outbreak of cholera, with the country purchasing power party GDP falling by 8% from US dollar 12.15 billion to US dollar 11.18 billion. Haiti ranked 145 of 182 countries in the 2010 United Nations Human Development Index, with 57.8 or 57.3% of the population being deprived in at least 3 of the HDI's poverty measures from the disputed 2000 election and accusation about President Aristide's rule. US aid to the Haitian government was cut off between 2001 and 2004 after Aristide's departure in 2004. It was restored, and the Brazilian army, the United Nations Stabilization Mission in Haiti, peacekeeping operation after almost 4 years of rejection. The country grew by 1.5% in 2005. In September 2009, Haiti met the condition set out by the IMF and World Bank, enabling in the poor country's program to acquire fee for council of its external debt. In 2015, more than 90% of the government budget came from an agreement with both Treasury and Venezuela that oil aliens. Virgin Aids, with information Virgin Aid to Haiti, it returned more than US dollar 4 billion in aid from 1990 to 2003, including US dollar 1.5 billion from the United States. The largest donor is the US dollar, followed by Canada and the European Union. In January 2010, following the earthquake, US President Barack Obama promised US dollar 1.15 billion in assistance. The European Union pledged more than euro 40 million or US dollar 616 million. The neighboring Dominican Republic also provided extensive humanitarian aid to Haiti, including the funding and construction of a public university, human capital, free healthcare service in the border region, and logistical support. After the 2010 earthquake, the United Nations stated that US dollar 13.30 billion has been earmarked for post earthquake reconstruction through 2020, 2 years after the 2010 quake. Less than all of the amount are actually been realized. As of 2015, the US government has allocated US dollar 4 billion, US 3 billion has already been spent, and the rest is dedicated to longer term projects. Third, according to the 2015 CIA board Facebook, Haiti main import partners are Dominican Republic 35%, US 26.8%, Netherlands Antilles 8.7%, China 7% as 2013. Haiti's main export partner is the US dollar 83.5% as 2013. Haiti had a trade deficit of US dollar 3 billion in 2011. Are 41% of GDP. Energy, main article, electric sector in Haiti. Haiti electric product by searches. Detail cuts the loans CC by SE 4.0. Haiti electric product by searches. 1980 fossil 1, hydro 2. 1983 fossil 2, hydro 3. 1986 fossil under 3, hydro under 4. 1989 fossil under 3, hydro under 4. 1992.
C'était l'école où vous allez from basket.
Biomass 0. Solar. Hydro 3. And fossil 2. 1995. Hydro under 3, fossil under 4. 1998. Fossil 3 and hydro 3. 2001. Hydro under 3 and fossil under 3. 2004. Fossil under 3, hydro under 3. 2007. Hydro under 2, fossil 3. 2010. Hydro under 2, fossil 4. 2013. Hydro 1, fossil under 9. 2016. Hydro under 1, fossil 9. Solar 0. 2016. Hydro 2, fossil 8. Hydroelectricity production by sources. Rails. Heavily on an oil alliance with Petrocaribbean for much of its energy have been explored as possible sustainable energy sources for planned import AU prints as of 2017 among all the countries in the Americas. It is producing the less energy than a quarter of the country has electric covered. Most regions of Haiti that do have energy are powered by generators. These generators are often expensive and produce a lot of pollution. The areas that do cut electricity experience power cuts on a daily basis, and some areas are limited to 12 hours and electricity a day. Electricity is provided by a small number of independent companies. Solar power and electric. There is no national electricity grid. The most common source of energy is wood, along with charcoal. About 4 million metric tons of wood products are consumed yearly. Like charcoal and wood, petroleum is almost an important source of energy since the Haiti cannot produce its own fuels. Although is imported yearly around 90,000 tons of oil is imported into the country in 2018. A 24-hour electricity project was announced for the purpose. 236 MW needs to install import AU printer along with an additional 75 MW needed in all other regions. Presently, only 2006 or 2007 that 5% of the population has access to electricity. Moreover, the national energy agency electricity to IT it's in only able to make 62% of overall electricity demand. Personal income market in top item that is suffered from a sort of skilled labor with spread unemployment and underemployment. Second, in the labor force of informal jobs, the quarters of the population lives on the $2 or less per day. Remittances for Haitians living abroad are the primary source of foreign exchange, equaling 150-20% of GDP. There are more than 15 the earning from export as of 2012. In 2004, 80% modern college graduates from Haiti were living road. Occasionally, who are unable to care for children may send them to live in a wilder family as a rest of work or observant. In return, the family are supposed to ensure them that the child is educated and provided with food and shelter, where the system is one that abounds and is for controversial. With some regard it to click slavery. Real estate and real estates, the browser live in wooden hoods with cut iron roof. Houses are located in back of the house. Import AU printer. Colorful shanty town surrounds the capital city and go up the mountain cities. The middle and upper class live in suburb or in the central part of the bigger cities in the apartment where there is urban planning. Many of the houses they live in early miniature, where there is located being as embedded with metal spike, but with broke glass and sometimes all there the house have backup generators because the electrical grid is unreliable. Some even have rooftop reservoirs for waters. Agriculture. For information, agriculture in Haiti. Row of tobacco. Haiti is the world leading product of vetiver, a root plant used to make luxury perfume, essential oil, and fragrances, providing for of the world supply. Roughly 40 to 50% of vital ends work in the agricultural sector. However, according to soil survey by the United States Department of Agriculture in the early 1980, only 11.3% of the land was legally suitable for crops. Haiti relies upon import for half its walnut and 80% of its rice. Haiti export crops such as mangoes, cacao, coffee, papayas, mahogany, woods, spinach, and watercress. Agriculture product constitute 6% of all export. In addition, local agricultural products include maize, beans, cassava, sweet potato, peanut, pistachios, bananas, millet, pigeon, fish, sugarcane, rice, sorghum, and wood. Currently, main artikel Haiti Gerde, HTC, national country, dari $10 equates to 5 quarters or code competition needed. The vast majority of the business sector and individual will also accept US dollar. Look at the outdoor markets. Kurdish may be preferred. Locals many refer to the USD as dollar American or dollar US. Bro, no jet OOAS tourism. Main article tourism in Haiti. Labadi cruise ship destination. The tourism market in Haiti is undeveloped and the government is heavily promoting this sector. Haiti has many of the features that attract tourism to other Caribbean destinations such as Wilson Beaches, mountain nice, scenery, and a year-round warm climate. However, the country, per image overseas, has exaggerated the development of this sector. In 2014, the country received 1,250,000 tourists, mostly from cruise ships, and the industry generated $200 million in 2014. Labadi, a cruise ship destination. Several hotels were opened in 2014, including an upscale base within Premier, a five-star Royal Oasis Hotel by Occidental Hotel and Resort in Potential, a four-star Marriott Hotel in Turquoise area of Port au Prince, another new hotel development in Port au Prince, Let's Cap 18 and Checkmel. Karakol Industrial Park on 20 October 2012. Haitian President Michel Martelly, U.S. Secretary of State Hillary Clinton, Bill Clinton, Richard Branson Ben Stiller, and Sean Penn inaugurated the 240-hectare or 600-acre Karakol Industry Park, the largest in the Caribbean. The project cost $300 million and include a 10 megawatt power plant, a water treatment plant, and worker housing. The plan for the park predated the 2010 earthquake but was fast-tracked as part of the Foreign Aid strategy developed by the South Recovery. The park was part of the master plan for Haiti's North and Northeast Department, including the expansion of the Cap Haïtien International Airport to accommodate larger international fleet. The contribution of an international sector in Fort Lauderdale and the opening of the $50 million Roy Henry Christophe campus of a new university in Limonade near Cap Haïtien on 12 January 2012. In 2012, USAID delivered in the park at the potential to create as many as 65,000 jobs once fully developed. South Korean clothing manufacturer CO Trading CO2 Ltd. The park only major tenant created 5,000 permanent jobs out of the 20 it had projected and promised to build 5,000 houses with only 750 homes had been built near Karakol by 2014. 10 years later, the park was considered to have failed to uphold its promise to deliver the transformation. The Clintons had promised the US invested tens of millions of dollars into the port project but eventually abandoned it in order to establish the park. Hundreds of families of small farmers had to be removed from the land. Approximately 3,500 people overall. An audit by the United States Government Accountability Office covered that the port project lacked staff with technical expertise in planning, construction, and oversight of a port, and revealed the USAID had constructed a port ever since the 1970. USAID feasibility study in 2015 found that a new port was not viable for a variety for technical, environment, and economic reasons of the north coast of Haiti. The as was $72 million and found to cover the majority of the projected cost, and that private companies USAID wanted to attract at no interest in supporting the construction of a new port in North Haiti. It was historically nicknamed the Paris of the Andes because of its wealth and sophistication, especially though its architecture and artistic life. It was one important city during the colonial period, serving as the capital of the French colony, assigned away from the city's formal foundation in 1711 until 1770, when the capital was moved to Port-au-Prince. After the Haitian Revolution, it became the capital of the Kingdom of Haiti under the King Henry I until 1820. Cap Haïtien's long history of independence was from in part by its relative distance from Port-au-Prince, the barrier of mountain between it and the southern part of the country, and the history of largest African population. This contribution to making it a legendary incubator of independence movement since slavery times. For instance, from February 5 to 29 or 2004, the city was taken over by militants who opposed the rule of the Haitian president Jean Bertrand Aristide. The eventually created the known political pressure to force him out of office, and the country Cap Haitien is near the historic Haitien town of Milot, which is 19 km or 12 mi to the southwest along a gravel road. Milot was Haiti's first capital under the self-proclaimed King Henry Christophe, who ascended to power in 1807. The religious authorities gained independence from France. The renowned Cap franchise has happened in Mayotte is the set of the San Souci place, brought by the 1842 earthquake the Citadelle, a very massive stone versus wrestling canals at the bottom gradually. Nebi Mountain is kilometers 5 mi away on clear day. It's still out is visible from Cap Haitien. The small Cap Haitien International Airport, located on the southern edge of the city, is served by several small domestic airlines. It was both traveled by Guinea and Trout from the old Guineas Beach. After the 2010 earthquake, several others UN personnel, including military units from Nepal and Uruguay, arrived in the city during the 2010 to 2017 United Nations Stabilization Mission in Haiti. MINUSTAH. The airport was the only functioning international airport in the country after the closure of the Thousand converted to international airport in Tabari. To the France in March 2024, significant migration from the capital occurred during the Haitian crisis, putting a strain on infrastructure and on the education system. The destruction in 2020 on Sada II, as strong with 1,500 homes in the southern part of the city, was credited with disrupting gang activity in the former capital. Economy. 19th century achieved in Cap Haitien. Cap Haitien is known as the national largest center of historic monument and as such, it is a tourism destination. The Bay beaches and mountains have made it a resort and vacation destination for its upper classes. Compared to Pétionville, Cap Haitien has also attracted more international tourism as it has been isolated from the capital instability in the south of the island. It has a work of 19th century architecture, which has been well preserved during and after the Haitian Revolution. Many craftsmen from the Cap franchise, who were very people of color, went to France contacted New Orleans. Later in 1842, Cap Haitien was developed by an earthquake and a resulting tsunami, and most of the reconstruction was included or influenced by the globally popular French style frame architecture. As a result, the New Orleans and Cap Haitien share many similarities in styles of architecture. Especially notable are the Giger print, possessing the city's oldest streets since 2021. There have been significant electrical outages in Cap Haitien, twin large J, but to a lot of full Facebook and Alford, it have invested in solar energy. A power plant built in Caracol to provide electricity to the industrial park reaches as far as Limonade, 30 minutes from downtown Cap Haitien.